In this video, you will learn the basics of citing a journal article using APA format. Thankfully, the library databases will usually provide a complete APA citation. To find it, look for the icon that looks like a yellow sticky note. A window will open with a list of citations in many different formats. Be sure that you select the APA citation. Check that the source that is cited matches the source you are using. Copy and paste the citation into your references page. It's important to remember that when you paste the citation, it will not be in the correct format. You'll need to make sure that the font matches the rest of your paper and that all the capitalization is correct. If a citation is not available, you'll have to create one. Just as with books, journal citations always begin with the author or authors. They are listed starting with their last names, followed by a comma, and their first and middle initials with periods in between. Put a comma between each author and an ampersand before the last author. Next, list the year in parentheses followed by a period. Now, this is where journal article citations differ from books. We need to include two titles, the title of the article and the name of the journal that it comes from. Start with the article. Only capitalize the first word of the article title and subtitle if there is one. End with a period. Now you'll include the journal title. Sometimes this can be difficult to find, but it is listed in the databases under Source. Titles of journals do not follow the same capitalization rules. Capitalize the first letter of each word except for words like in, and, of, etc. Follow the journal title with a comma. Next, you need the volume, issue, and page numbers. These are usually found next to the journal title in the article record under Source. The volume number comes first, then the issue in parentheses, a comma, and the page range. Journal titles need to be italicized, but the italics remain through the volume number. Stop before the parentheses. Page numbers should be listed only numerically. Do not include the letter P. For a range, we use a dash between the first and last page. The last thing you'll need is either a DOI or a link. A DOI is a number that's assigned to journal articles, but not all journal articles have one. If an article has a DOI, it will be listed in the database. If not, write retrieved from, and a link to the article, which is also found in the database. Citing articles may seem complex and overwhelming, but remember that if you use the STCC library resources, you'll get a complete citation that you don't have to create from scratch. You can find more information about citing articles from the STCC Library Research Guide or the Purdue OWL website.